There is a beautiful chip there that is spidered up, and yeah, so pretty dangerous to be driving with a busted windshield and no rear view mirror. So finally get a rear view mirror installed.
Oh my God, Mitch, I appreciate it.
Welcome back to the garage, the place where we're making your Bronco your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic, providing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today what we're talking about is replacing the windshield. So this is the glass for my Bronco for the windshield. Oh, it's chipped. Oh man, I bought this from a guy at Super Celebration, so I've never even opened it. But obviously at some point I chipped it. And then I got a rear view mirror from Tom's Bronco Parts. I'll put a link in the description below where you guys can get one. And then also the gasket material. So basically what we're gonna have to do is cut this old gasket out, take the old windshield out, and put the new one in. In all honesty, I bought this glass the year I bought this Bronco and went to Super Celebration, which was 2016, I believe. Wait, no, not 2016. It would have been 2015. You know, like when you buy parts from the vendors, they're like, open within 48 hours. This isn't from a vendor, it was from some dude selling it out of the back of his trailer, which is totally normal at Super Celebration and not shady at all. But it begs the question, what's the longest part you've had sitting in your garage not installed on your Bronco? Like, I think mine, for me, it is this windshield. So yeah, what bragging rights, leave it in the comments below. What is the part that you have had and how long have you had it without installing it on your Bronco? All right, let's get into this. Also, I will say the guys at Wild Horses have an install video about the windshield. Jim does a great job explaining everything. So if you feel like I missed something, check that video out. I'll put a little card where you can watch it. You gotta take these little pieces out. You don't wanna bend them. Don't bend it. Make sure not to cut your windshield frame. I'm inside the Bronco and I'm basically getting the windshield to come off of this lip right here. And now we're gonna make sure to be safe and not drop the window or push it too hard to where it just flops down and shatters into a million pieces. I don't know if you can see it, but there was a moment where I was pushing on it up here and like 8 more fractures showed up in the glass, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's about to just crumble in my lap. So I'm gonna try to be a little bit more careful here, and hopefully this thing won't shatter on me. Now is a good time to clean up your windshield frame. Make sure to clean up any rust spots. Just keep in mind that this piece of glass is not a perfect rectangle. It is slightly obtuse, like off. Find the top, find the bottom, and your gasket seal will go in much easier. All right, so it's a new day, which, you know, it's not because this takes so long, but because just how my life is. I can't work in the garage that much every day. But basically what I did was one of my buddies, Christian from Hot House Revival, showed me this trick, and it's just the one-person windshield install trick. So basically, laid a towel out, got some blankets, some pillows, that kind of thing. You know, and it's just basically pushing the windshield glass up into the windshield frame. So now what I'm going to be doing is pulling that the gasket kind of over that lip of the windshield frame with the rope that I installed into that gasket seal of that windshield. So it's a little bit tricky to do with one person, but it's definitely doable. So yeah, we'll see how this actually goes here. I don't know if you can see this. So one right here, got a rip right there, and then right here. So man, that sucks. Don't be like me and go too fast and use your Superman muscles. Someone leave a comment. Do I leave it or do I replace it all and fix it? Tell me your honest opinion, but probably gonna leave it. No, not lying. I mean, I still have to do wiring in here. This is actually all wired up. I just have to clean up the wiring. I want to install maybe some rugged radios, something like that. But like when I tore it, it was like this. And so like I was pulling it, and you know, the gasket was right in the middle of it, where I should have like pulled, you know, at a 90-degree angle instead of a 180, right? Yeah, 90. Like, and that's where I'm talking about, like pull up the glass, not completely against itself. Because what just happened was like the gasket got, you know, jammed in the middle, and I just ripped it as I was pulling it out. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So finally get a rear view mirror installed. Well, yeah, look at that guy. Hey, what's going on? Time to install a rear view mirror. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna let this cure and dry and then put the rear view mirror on. Make sure to check the links below. I'll put a windshield from Tom's Bronco parts and this gasket in the rear view mirror. All that stuff you can get there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.